Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 Raptor. Now this Raptor has a 6.2-liter SVT V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. And the exterior color is a nice Oxford white with the blue Ford custom grille insert. Over at the front, we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our pod lights and our two tow hooks with our skid plate. Over at the side, we have the SVT wheels wrapped in our good rich tires, as well as our running boards with our white mirror caps and black door handles. We have the privacy tinted windows in the rear, and as we have our OEM sliding sunroof on top. At the rear, we have our Roush tipped exhaust, as well as our trailer and tow package, which include our 4 and 7 pin connection. We have the Raptor SVT, F-150, and Ford badging, as well as we have our reverse camera. And inside the box, we have our spray and bed liner, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster and the sliding feature. At the interior, there are tons of cool features, including door storage, power windows, power locks, and as well as power adjustable and foldable heated mirrors. As we get into the interior, the driver and passenger can enjoy a 10-way fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our foot pedal adjustment and our tilting steering wheel. We have our information and cruise control settings on the left, as well as our hands-free and volume control. As we look above, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror and our OEM sliding sunroof. As we get in, we have 127,534 kilometers on this Raptor. And as we look at our display screen, we have our navigation, as well as Sirius or AM and FM, as well as climate control. Over to the left, we have our four-wheel drive engagement, and down below we have our integrated trailer brake. And over to the right, we have our 12-volt adapter, as well as a cubby hold. And as we look at our climate control area, we have our air conditioning and heating seats for the driver and passenger. And down below we have our aux in, as well as a USB port with a cigarette lighter, and our hill descent with our off-road mode and 4 aux ports. And as we look here, we have our console shift with the select shift option, as well as 2 cup holders, a center console with 2 more cup holders in the rear, and tons of storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, power windows, as well as storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. Now with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom, as well as headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably. And as we look in the rear of the center console, we have our ventilation, as well as our AC outlet and 12-volt adapter. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Raptor, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.